Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: macOS 12 or later, an admin account, internet, and at least 5 GB free. Once verified, download and install the virtual desktop client or prepare Apple Remote Desktop. Make sure you enable screen recording and accessibility for the app in System Settings so the virtual session can capture windows. Now create a dedicated user or enable fast user switching. This isolates the virtual workspace. Once done, restart the app and sign in with your account to register the virtual desktop instance. You'll now configure the virtual desktop profile. Create a new VM or session, assign CPU cores and memory tailored to your workload. For productivity, choose 2 4-cores and 4 8 GB RAM. Next, set display scaling and resolution. Use 1920 by 1080 for balanced clarity, and choose audio input/output routing so apps hear and play sound. Configure file and folder sharing, clipboard sync, and network mode, bridged for local LAN access or NAT for simpler internet. Make sure to save the finish by launching a full session and running your normal apps to validate performance. If stutters occur, increase RAM or change GPU acceleration settings. Make sure to enable encryption and a strong password, then set session auto-lock to protect data. Once stable, create a snapshot or backup of the configuration so you can revert quickly. If something goes wrong, restart the client, verify macOS permissions, screen recording, accessibility, full disk access, and reapply drivers or reinstall the virtual desktop app. This resolves most connectivity and capture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.